Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel where I review the latest tech products. Today I have got something truly extraordinary to show you, the Samsung 65-inch Q900c 8K new QLed TV. This TV is a real game changer and I'm here to dive deep into specs, features, so you can decide if it is the right choice for you. So before I jump into it, the buy links are given in the description and you can buy this TV from Amazon at a discounted price. And make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of my latest tech reviews. So let's get started now. First off, let's talk about the specs of this stunning TV. This TV comes in LED panel ensuring vibrant colors and sharp contrast, and it comes in three sizes: 65-inch, 75-inch and 85-inch, giving you an immersive viewing experience. The Samsung Q900c boasts an astonishing 7680 by 4320 resolution. That's 8K folks. Get ready to witness unparalleled clarity and detail in every frame. In terms of video input, it got you covered with HDMI, RF and USB ports, ensuring that you can connect all your favorite devices seamlessly. For those who crave high dynamic range, this TV supports HDR10, which means you will enjoy stunning lifelike colors and contrast in your movies and shows. With 4 HDMI ports, you can connect your gaming console, Blu-ray players, sound bars and more without constantly swapping cables. And yes, it's a smart TV, so you have access to number of streaming services right at your fingertips. One of the standout features of the TV is its impressive screen brightness, measuring at 1077.41 nits. That's perfect for those sunny days when you want to enjoy your favorite content without glare. The black level on this TV is incredible, and the contrast ratio, well, it's infinite. Get ready for those deep blacks and stunning visuals that really pop off the screen. This is a great news for you. The Q900c features a 144Hz refresh rate and supports variable refresh rate, ensuring that you have a smooth and tear-free gaming experience on this TV. Speaking of the gaming, the input lag in game mode is only 1.6 millisecond. That's lightning fast response time, plus it supports AMD FreeSync, make it an excellent choice for console gamers. It's worth noting that it does not support NVIDIA G-Sync, so NVIDIA users keep that in mind. So that's it guys, the Samsung 65-inch Q900c 8K new QLed TV with its chart-topping resolution, superb HDR support and gaming-friendly features. It's a truly powerhouse in the world of TVs. But as always, the best TV for you depends on your specific need and budget. Review helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and share it with your friends. And of course, if you have any question or want to see more reviews like this, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. I will catch up you in the next video. See you. Bye bye.